In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix emails not sending on iPhone. If you're having trouble sending emails from your iPhone, here are two common solutions to help you fix the issue. First, check your outgoing mail server SMTP settings. The most frequent reason for not being able to send emails is an issue with the outgoing mail server settings. This is especially true if you can receive emails but not send them. First, go to Settings, Mail, then Accounts. Select the mail account that is having the problem. Then, tap on the account again, and then scroll down to the outgoing mail server section. Now, tap on SMTP. Check the primary server. Ensure the host name, username, and password are correct. Sometimes retyping your password, even if it looks correct, can resolve the issue. Also, confirm that the server port and SSL settings match what your email provider requires. If you're unsure of these settings, check your email provider's website or contact their support. Here's the second option. Delete and re-add your email account. If checking the settings doesn't work, a fresh restart can often resolve underlying configuration. Before you log into your email provider website on a computer to ensure all of your emails are there. This will prevent any data lost. Now, go on your iPhone, go to Settings, then tap Mail, then Accounts. Tap the problematic email account, then select Delete Account and confirm the action. Restart your iPhone, then go back to Settings, Mail, then Accounts, and tap Add Account. Select your email provider and follow the on-screen instructions to set up the account again. This process will automatically reconfigure the server settings, which should resolve the sending problem. And that's it. That's how to fix emails not sending on iPhone.